How to fix debit card not working on Google Play Store. So if you want to fix debit card not working on Google Play Store, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. Go with the upper right, which has that profile. From the profile, you can tap on payments and subscriptions. Go with the payment methods. And here, if you've added the payment method or the debit card, then you can just simply click on the payment method and go with settings and make sure that you've entered the information correctly. You can go and edit your information. Or the other thing is, many cards are not allowed in the payment method section. So make sure that your bank or the card that you're trying to add to your Play Store is available. And the other thing, you need to make sure that you've logged in to the bank account. Make sure that it is not freezed, and after that your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your debit card not working on your Google Play Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.